All right, welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a recap. I'm going to show you how I made $1,000 in less than 5 minutes. If you're interested in seeing that, it's cool. I'm also teaching the 50% rule at the top of this. So if you don't know what the 50% rule is, I'm going to go over that. This is a recap. It's short, it's sweet. I hope you like it. Let me know, and I'll make more. I plan on doing these daily if you like what you're about to see. All right, here we go. Roll it. Discount down here, premium up here, okay? If I look at the market structure first, structure always comes first, okay? We're kind of consolidating on a higher time frame, a 4 hour in a downtrend, 1 hour in a downtrend. But the lower time frames, like maybe the 15-minute, if you look at the 15, you're like, okay, I'm in an uptrend. Yes, that's true. That's definitely true. But the higher time frames, if I fib this, if I did my premium and discount on a 1 hour, then I need to always be thinking, well, the higher time, I mean, this is a perfect example. You see this 15-minute fair value gap, price is reacting from this. And where is it at? It's in a premium, right? Now, without getting too hasty and jumping in right now, because it's 8:40, we're still, the first 30 minutes is just like getting, like a lot of times, first 30 minutes is just haywire. So be very careful. But technically that meets all the requirements. In fact, I mean, if you do follow, if you do the one strat for life setups religiously, then you're probably looking at this, you're going, okay, well, hold on. There's the 1 hour order block. And guess what? This 15-minute fair value gap is a 1 hour fair value gap. See it? They overlap. So you got your 1 hour. Let me just mark this out. You got your 1 hour breaker block right here. Okay. And look, you're in a premium. You see how that all lines up right there? You're just barely in a premium, but you're there. And this right here isn't just a 15-minute fair value gap. This is actually a 1 hour fair value gap. And you see how those overlap like that, okay? Now, of course, where they overlap up here, this is what I would consider a cheap trade. Because you could put your stop right here, and you're like, all right, look, if it closes a candle, I mean, not your stop, sorry, you can put your stop up here, but I'm looking here and I'm saying, okay, look, if price closes a candle body above this breaker, let me get rid of that. I can easily just say, okay, I'm out. No worries. Like I lose less than I would have. Yeah. So, something like this, I would feel pretty good taking a trade. I would even feel good something like that just below the shelf, like what I would consider a wick test of these wicks right over here. So something like that might be good. Guess what? I don't have to just get in, do I? No, I don't. I can just go over to my lower time frame, go to my 1 minute, and see that same setup play out over here. And Troy says it all the time. Go to a lower time frame, see the setup play out on a lower time frame. So that's another way to enter the market. You don't just have to get in. And that's how you would use the 50% rule to just add an odds multiplier to your whole setup. It's not 50% rule only. If you use the 50% rule only, you could really be doing yourself some injustice, right? Some damage there. So yeah, this is going to be a short real quick, guys. So I would get in, have your stop loss above the swing. I think we could be targeting even down here. I think this is a pretty solid short now. I think the best place to get in is up here, obviously, right? You got a fair value gap, but what I say, that displacement, a lot of times it'll just continue. You won't get a chance. So just be aware. Yeah, 1 minute's looking pretty good though. I think we're all right. Nice trend line break. You got more liquidity down here. But yeah, I took a little trade on my live account. We'll see what happens here. A little consolidation. That's what I'm talking about. Boom, closing that out. See that? Let's go. Close 1400. Let's go. All right, looking all right. 211 on the account. Moving on up. So nice little move right there. I just needed that little push. I'm using a pretty large lot size. Yeah, pretty good stuff. All right, I'm happy with that. $1,000 days keep the doctor away. That's what my mentor always told me. Oh, he never said that. Oh man, that's funny. Yeah, but I'm happy with that little move, and I was pretty confident there. I knew that if this came up, I could be dealing with like 2 or 3 grand in drawdown My ultimate risk was 5 grand on the trade. So if it reached the top and broke, I would have had to eat 5 grand. But at the end of the day, this push gave me the confidence to hold, and I'm happy. That's all I needed. It's a Monday without news. Why would I be sitting here pressuring myself to make another trade? That was perfect. Does that make sense? It doesn't matter what price does. Close the laptop. Awesome, brother. Well, yeah, I'll talk to you here in a minute. But yeah, have fun on your trip. We'll all miss you. And yeah, bro.
Wednesday and Thursday, those are going to be the days. Yeah, those are going to be the days, Wednesday and Thursday.
Absolutely. Yes, sir. All right.
Yeah, right. All right, see you guys. Have a good one.
All right, guys. See you tomorrow morning. Ciao.